on this morning, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you, man. Right now I'm outside this job site. It's early. Something hit me that I really wanted to share with you because I know a lot of people tend to try to wait so long until they actually do something that really matters, like build a product or make something or start this career or go to school for this. And sometimes we put a whole lot of things off because the system has told us you got to do it this way and that way and that way. So you feel you got to take all these steps in order to do it. Now, there are steps in order to get there, but majority of these steps that the system's telling you you have to take, you don't have to take. But you have to do some homework so that way you would know. And you have to be persistent. Instead of waiting until you got everything together in your portfolio, go on and throw it out there and see if anybody bite on it. See if anybody like what you're trying to offer first while you're working on it. So say you come up with an idea. Throw it on Craigslist, throw it on OfferUp, throw it on one of these sites where someone can see it and see if it's worth something. And then you might get a few calls and you ain't even made number one yet. And they say, hey, I want 10 of them. Wow. Now you got enough money to make 10, work on that project, put a little money in your pocket, and be able to produce and come up with some better imagery. You know what I'm saying? That you're going to give off. So sometimes, man, you just got to step out on faith. Regardless of what someone thinks, regardless if you don't have it all together. It don't matter. Do it anyway. Because you'll be surprised who need what you got to offer. HogOn.